Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Shakespeare's Fantasies. If you are an old viewer and subscriber of this channel and you're back here, then I heartily welcome you all. And if you are here for the first time and you like the content which you are watching, then please subscribe this channel. Now having said that, let's move to the main topic of this video, which is to discuss the question and answers for extract number 17. So our extract number 17 are lines from Prospero, which read, "To Ferdinand, follow me, speak not you for him, he is a traitor." So first of all, to Ferdinand, Prospero is telling that come and follow me. And then he is talking to Miranda and he is saying that you don't support him. He is a traitor. "Come, I'll manacle thy neck and feet together." That is, come, I will chain your neck and feet together. "Sea water shalt thou drink, thy food shall be the fresh brook mussels, withered roots, and husks, wherein the Acron cradled follow." So now, Prospero is also telling Ferdinand that I will give you to drink sea water, and your food will be the fresh water mussels, old withered roots, and husks which have acorns in them. Now he is asking him, that is Ferdinand, to follow him. Now the next line comes from Ferdinand, where he is saying, "No, I will resist such entertainment till mine enemy has more power." So here Ferdinand is saying that no, I will not accept such treatment, I will not tolerate such treatment until my enemy has defeated me. After saying this, Ferdinand draws out his sword and Prospero uses his magic to freeze him in that same pose. Now the next line comes from Miranda. Here she is saying, "Oh dear father, make not too rash a trial of him, for he is gentle and not fearful." So here Miranda is saying, "Oh dear father, don't punish him so harshly. He is a good man and he is not a coward." So we move to our question number 1, which is, to whom does Prospero forbid to speak in the second line of the extract? Why? Answer, Prospero forbids Miranda to speak in the second line of the extract because Miranda is trying to support Ferdinand even when Prospero is saying that Ferdinand is a traitor who has come to the island as a spy to snatch the control of this island from Prospero. Prospero does so in order to test the love of Ferdinand and Miranda for each other. Our second question is, what punishment is Prospero giving to Ferdinand? Answer, Prospero punishes Ferdinand for being a traitor and for trying to snatch the control of the island from Prospero. Prospero chains his, that is Ferdinand's neck and feet together, and he tells him that in lieu of his, that is Ferdinand's punishment, he will only get sea water to drink and will get food consisting of fresh water mussels, old roots, and husks with acron inside them. Third question is, how does Ferdinand challenge Prospero? How does Prospero subdue Ferdinand? Answer, Ferdinand challenges Prospero by telling him that he will not accept the punishment planned by Prospero until he, that is Prospero, overpowers him, that is Ferdinand. After saying that, Ferdinand draws out his sword for a fight with him. Prospero subdues Ferdinand by preventing him from moving by using his magic and by asking Ferdinand to get out of his defensive posture. Question 4 is, how does Miranda react to the treatment given to Ferdinand? What does it show about her character? Answer, Miranda reacts to the treatment given to Ferdinand by pleading her father, Prospero, to not be so hard on him and by telling him that Ferdinand is a gentleman and not a coward. It shows that Miranda is kind-hearted and that she truly loves Ferdinand. We can say this as she is willing to stand and state her opinion to her father in order to protect Ferdinand from his punishment. Question 5 is Prospero really harsh to Ferdinand? Why? Answer, yes, Prospero is really harsh to Ferdinand. Prospero wants to test the love of Ferdinand and Miranda for each other so that they don't undervalue their love because it has come too easily to them. He also wanted to ensure that Ferdinand is the right man for his daughter, who will love and cherish her and will take care of her, This is why he treats Ferdinand harshly. Question 6. Give the meaning of the following words as they are used in the context of the passage. First word is withered. Withered means old. And second word is rash. Rash means hasty.